Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a try on haul from FashionNova, of course. I'll link all my products that I used on the description and the outfits as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. I got a couple of new jeans that I wanted to try on. I was watching YouTube videos on people trying on these jeans and on TikTok, and I was like, you know what, let me write them down on my list because I wanted to try them. And I also got a few tops as well. I got I believe three tops, and then the rest were like kind of bodysuits that I wanted to try on. So yeah, all right, so the first one I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This one, I really like the material and I like how it looks. This one is called Brunch Babes Smoothing Stretch Skinny Jeans. So these are stretchy. I did get all my jeans in a size 11. So yeah, these ones I really like. The color of these jeans are like my favorite. So I got these ones, and then like always, you guys will see it's either on this side or this side. I'll show you guys what they look like, but this is what they look like. They're very stretchy, so I feel I could have gotten away with getting a size 9. So maybe I'll probably get a size 9 next time just to see how it fits, because this does feel a little bit loose on me. But because it is stretchy, I mean, it's amazing. I just love it. So this is one of the pair of jeans that I got. Like I said, I got it in a size 11. And then I got this top. It's a bodysuit. I really like it, and it's long sleeve as well. Right now it's kind of cold, so I was like, you know what, it'll work out because I could wear it as a shirt and I won't be cold. This one is called One of a Kind Off the Shoulder Bodysuit. So it's probably inside out, but this is what it looks like. Then it has an opening in the front. So, and then you kind of clip it at the bottom. So that's what this one's looking like. And it's a long sleeve, so yeah. And then I got this in a size large, and the only reason I got them in a size large is because of the girls. Like, I wanted to make sure that they fit. So yeah. Then the next jeans that I also got, these are called Kiara Slit Knee Stretch Skinny Jeans. I also got them in a light wash, just because I'm kind of into like wearing white tops and light wash jeans. So sorry, you can hear the phone ringing. So this is what this one looks like. The color is amazing. They're stretchy, and I like that they're open from here as well. And they fit really nice, as you guys can see here. I really like them. I'm more of a girl that wears combat boots and then my like Air Forces and stuff. So I kind of picture like, what can I wear as jeans with those kind of like type of shoes, like my Doc Martens and my Air Forces, or if I'm wearing Vans, you know, because I'm more like a natural kind of like comfortable. That's what I kind of wanted to say. That I just don't wear heels or stuff like that. So yeah, so I got those, and like I said, I got these in a size 11 just because of my ass, you know. And then the next pair of jeans that I got, these ones are called Our Favorite High Rise Skinny Jeans in a size 11. Another ones, these are a little bit darker, I want to say. And then they do have like little rips on the knees as well. So that's what that one looks like. And these are different from the back because they have like these little like lines here. So make the booty look juicy. So yeah, I got these ones in a size 11, and they do have like little ripped on the knees. So yeah, so I got these ones. I've never had jeans like that, so I was like, you know, I need to try them. And then I think I already had these ones, but I think I was using whiteout, and the whiteout bottle fell on my jeans, so it never came out. So I was like, I need to get me a new pair. So these are called Classic Beauty Skinny Jeans, and these are in a size 11. These are a darker wash. So yeah, they're skinny. You guys can see, I really like skinny jeans. I do want to try to get like regular jeans, not as skinny, because I do wear like just skinny jeans, but I just like can't get myself to like order them because I'm like, it's not gonna look right on me. So, and then as you guys know, and you've been watching my hauls, I really like the Canopy jeans from FashionNova. Like if you're ever gonna get some jeans, I suggest getting those Canopy ones. I get mine in a size 11. I'm gonna show you guys because I'm wearing ones right now. But I got them in a white color because I've had them in a dark color, I have them in a black, and then now I have them in white. I did have them in white, but I don't know what I did with them. So I was like, you know what, I need to get them, and they fit so beautifully like on your body. I got them like in a size 11. That's what the white jeans look like, and they have the little cut in the knees. That's what I like about the Canopy jeans. They all have that. So skinny jeans as well. I got the other pair of Canopy jeans. I'll get, actually the name is the Canopy Jeans. I actually got another pair of Canopy jeans because I already had them, but I like to kind of order them so I can just have, like, when they get like old, I can like switch them out because I wash them a lot when I wear them. But this time I noticed that they have a petite section. I didn't know they had like a petite before. Before it was just regular. Now they have a petite. So I accidentally ordered a petite, meaning for shorter ladies. So I did get them, and they fit like perfectly. They don't have like that much of like material still like on my legs that are like just there. This one fits right at the ankle. Same with the cut and everything you'll see right here. I will show you guys, but I'm wearing them. So yeah, so they have a petite now, and I was like, wow, like I didn't know. I accidentally ordered a petite. So when I was trying them on, I was like, why is it fitting so like you know, like there's no extra material, because I'm used to them having extra material. They didn't. It was like right my height. So I was like, cool. Now they have like for petites, for us short girls that, you know, we don't want to have all this much of material hanging on our ankles. So that's awesome. All right, the next top that I got, this one is called Don't Think You Can Do Better Keyhole Bodysuit. So like I said, I did order a bunch of bodysuits just because I wanted to try them. So this one actually has like a little button in the neck area to do it like that beautiful little, let me put it in here. So this is what this one looks like. It's a short sleeve, it's a bodysuit, you clip it on the bottom, and this is what that one looks like. That's what that looks in the back. So you guys will see here how that looks as well. And then I am wearing another one. I didn't change my bra, but definitely I would wear like a white bra or a skin color bra. I'm actually just wearing a black bra. You can see through it, so I kind of was like, you know, just for the video I'll just keep the bra that I was wearing, but if I were to wear it out, I'll definitely change my bra to a different color. So yeah. All right, so I got another bodysuit. This one doesn't have a name on it, does it? Is it tagging here? No, but I will list it down below for you guys. I got this red one. It's a bodysuit, clips from the bottom. You know, for when it's summer, I can definitely wear this with jeans and, you know, my Converse, you know, comfortably. Like I said, I'm already thinking ahead. So yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this. So I got this one in red, and I also got it in black, just to have it. Like I said, I will list it down below. It's a bodysuit, it clips from the bottom, you know, white Converse, red Converse, black Converse, white Converse, whatever, it'll go. And then I also got this white shirt. Honestly, this one is called Simply Perfection Twist Back back top. So I was actually searching for a shirt that is like this that I'm wearing, and it has like a knot in the front. So when I searched top knot shirts, this one came out, okay. And then I think there's a black one as well. I have to, it's not here. Oh, it's in the floor. Okay, so I have this one and a black one. Then this one came out as well, and it has like a back knot in the back. And I was actually looking for this type of shirts, and then I saw this, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want to have a loose shirt like this that I can wear like maybe shorts, or I can still wear my jeans, you know, and wear this one. So it's kind of loose. I did get in a size large. This one is called Simply Perfect Twist Back Top, and I love it. It's like so comfortable. I mean, it's simple, like it's like a whatever shirt, you know, but it's simple and it's like comfortable. I really like how it feels on me. So I got that one I'm wearing right now in the color black. I'm actually gonna go back and order the rest of the colors because I like how this shirt feels and how it looks. So here is the simple black one. Like I said, you can wear it with jeans, like, you know. So I like to be a little bit more casual, more comfortable, you know, wearing the jeans, wearing the tennis shoes, you know, being comfortable. So that's kind of like my style. So yeah, that's basically what I got this time around. Let me know what you guys think. If there's anything you guys would like for me to try on from the website, please leave it down below, and I will definitely dedicate a video to you guys that me trying on some of the outfits you guys would like to see. And if you guys are considering buying and want to see somebody try it on, I definitely could do that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.